In this tutorial, you will learn to generate a hex file and freeze a dataset in vCDMcenter. It is mandatory to have an existing project and permissions thereof. This video is intended for calibration engineers. To update the hex file, use generate HEX and Freeze. There are several possibilities to configure post processes. You can calculate the checksum or write a signature into the hex. Afterwards, the dataset is frozen and cannot be changed anymore. The imported and merged parameter values within the dataset will be used to update the hex. During this process, optional post processes can be executed. The data quality will be ensured by the settings within your projects. At the end, the hex file is updated and the dataset frozen. Select the dataset or sets which you would like to freeze. Open via the context menu Properties. On page Checksum, you can activate checksum calculation. For more information on how to configure the ini file, please check the vCDM online help. To configure the signature, please select the page signature. Activate the option Enable Signature Copy. Define the signature target and value for your project. Close the dialog with OK. Please note, signature algorithms can also be defined in the checksum configuration. Within the dataset, you need an ini file with the information on how the checksum must be calculated. Start the freeze via Calibration, Generate HEX and Freeze. It's possible to just freeze a single dataset or several at once. If necessary, change the hex name and insert a comment. Note, an automatic hex naming rule can be configured in the project options. Additionally, you can define the required data quality. Press OK. Afterwards, the pencil is hidden and the updated hex is displayed within the dataset. If it's necessary to change this frozen dataset again, you can create revisions or versions. If you receive an updated hex and A2L, you can perform a software change. Please watch the tutorial Perform Software Change.